Hey, what's going on, everybody? This episode, I want to show you how to. You be quiet. We're going to be doing USB debugging with an Android device. In other words, how can we create an app? On there, we did that Hello World app in an earlier episode. How can we get this running on an actual Android device? Now, we're not going to be deploying to the Google Play Store and then downloading it. That you could do later on once the app is launched. Instead, we're going to be using it on this in development mode. So Androids are kind of weird because they have like these secret settings that you can enable. So pardon me, I'm not like super great with Android, but open your phone and then go to apps. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go into settings. Can you guys see all this? Probably. Go to system. So if you're on like one of these, scroll over, go to system, and then go to about device. And there's one on here, build number. Double click that a bunch of times, and not double, like 7-time click. And that's going to turn on development mode. So then what you do is you click the back arrow. And now you should have this developer options under system. You can click that. And USB debugging, turn that on. Oh, you have to turn the whole thing on if it's off. All right, so turn that on, and then USB debugging on. So it can be used to copy data between your computer and your device, blah, 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 blah. All right, awesome. So that is step one. Next thing you need to do is you need to take this and you need to plug it in to your computer. Just so you know, with developer options, it gives you all kinds of different settings that you can configure and tinker with. So go through on your phone and look through some of this because it kind of gives you some really cool capabilities with your phone that you normally never otherwise wouldn't have. Probably didn't even know it was there. When I first did this, I was like, what is going on? How could you just do that? So it's kind of weird that they just have that hidden in there. It's kind of cool though, because not everyone needs to go in there and enable development mode, because it probably just leads people to breaking their phone or causing issues, so you don't just want to do it for everybody. So next thing, get a USB cable to your computer, plug it into this. If you're on Windows, meaning you're developing on Windows, you might need to install drivers, and there's guides for that. So I'm on the superior operating system. Start debate in the comments below. I'm using Mac, so I don't actually really have to do anything. I just plug this in and it works. So that's what I'm gonna do. And if you guys are on Windows, you can try it. If it doesn't work, go into your system settings or whatever and look for the drivers. I haven't used a Windows computer in forever, so, well, I guess a couple years ago. But anywho, my point is, plug this in and we'll get started. So that's what we're gonna do in the next episode. We're going to take our Hello World application and we are going to run it on an Android device. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you then.